Have you ever felt like certain patterns in stories and myths keep appearing over and over again, no matter where you look? What if I told you that there's a deeper reason behind this? Welcome to Recode Yourself. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating concept of archetypes to answer the question, what does archetype mean? Stay with us because what you're about to learn could change the way you see the world forever. So what does archetype mean? In its simplest form, an archetype is a universal symbol, character, or motif that recurs across different cultures and time periods. These archetypes are ingrained in our collective unconscious, a term coined by the famous Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. They're like the blueprint of human experience, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Imagine the hero's journey, an archetype we're all familiar with. From ancient myths to modern movies, the hero faces challenges, overcomes obstacles, and emerges transformed. This isn't just a story trope, it's an archetype that reflects our inner struggles and aspirations. Other common archetypes include the mentor, the shadow, and the trickster, each representing different aspects of our psyche. But why do these archetypes matter? Understanding them helps us gain insights into our own behavior and the world around us. Recognizing these patterns can empower us to make more conscious choices, leading to personal and spiritual growth. Now let's delve a little deeper. The mentor archetype represents wisdom and guidance, helping us navigate through life's challenges. The shadow, on the other hand, embodies our darker, often repressed traits, urging us to confront and integrate them for a more balanced self. The trickster challenges norms and brings change, pushing us out of our comfort zones. So, what does archetype mean in practical terms? It means recognizing these patterns in our lives and stories, understanding their significance, and using that knowledge to evolve. By embracing the wisdom of archetypes, we can unlock new potentials within ourselves. Before we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. Reflect on your life and identify which archetype you resonate with the most. Is it the hero, the mentor, or perhaps the shadow? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights might inspire someone else on their journey of self-discovery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Recode Yourself, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future content. Dive into our channel for more videos on personal growth and spiritual evolution. For your next step, watch our video on how understanding archetypes can transform your life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.